I, Dr. Indira, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Management, MMDU Mulana. So I want to give my feedback regarding the session conducted by NEDC. From the when we started communication regarding arrangement of the session, it was a prompt reply from the agency, and today's session was also very good. Our student has gained a lot and they have shown their interest into the session, and definitely we would like to have an association in the future also, a long term and a good cordial relation with the agency, and hope so the same from your side. We are extremely happy to be associated with your firm, and me myself will also start working on any of the startup and will boost my students to come more into the startup section, and we expect that we will get the technical and every feasible solutions from your side. Thank you.